Welcome to Canacona. I think issues for this maga. Hello guys, right now the time is around 4 o'clock and the plan is to go in Canacona. Actually there are beautiful waterfalls over there, so just we are going to see the waterfalls. Let's go. Okay though guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. So I'm going. Oh, pau silo, shit. So I'm going to Canacona side. There is one waterfall over there. I think the name is Bhupar waterfall. And there is one more waterfall over there. तेज ना होना पाऊँ आता तू हो तसला लेने आज से रखड़ो पास चलो सर को shit. So I'm going from Konkoli side and see the traffic man. या दिसा गोवा सारको चढू पास पडा सारको आणि केपे सायडीन आगो फ्लाड येयला सारको. सो गाइज आम्ही आणि थोड्या दिसांनी एक लॉंग ट्रिप प्लॅन करपा आहाय. मोस्ट प्रॉबेबली आय विल बी गोईंग विथ माय कजन. इट्स 4 hours ride, 4 or 5 I think. Actually on the map it's showing that temporarily the place is closed. So the केदोन open जाती. So मागी आमी plan करतले आसपा. So we'll be leaving early in the morning. So to watch the amazing coming vlogs, subscribe to my channel and don't miss the fun. Come on yaar, it's free to subscribe. इतली चमटे पण बरी ती. So please do subscribe. Okay, जाल्यार तुमकां एमजेक सांगून धाडटा डायरेक्ट चंद्रार. आणि पास येत दिसत म्हाका, बट भिवपाक गरज ना. सगळी तयारी करून येयलो. रेनकोट घायला आणि गोप्रो बी वॉटरप्रूफिंग केला विथ द हेल्प ऑफ सिलिकॉन ग्लू. पावसांत चलोवपाक डिफरंट फिलींग आहे तशें सारकें बरें थंड वेदर. आयलो पास आयलो. गोप्रो जुगाड केलो चोय तो सारको आसल्या बरो. भितर मागीर येवदो गेलो जाल्यार जालो मागीर बेस्ट ट्रीप. अरे छोटा मार्केट मरे बाबा, छोटा मार्केट. सगळी आपणागे भाजी घेनाय. I'm vlogging for the first time in the rain. सामान चलोवपाक पडटा बायक because oil पोळा की जमनीचे. Actually it's safe to travel by car, but for me I like to go by bike. कारां अशें करून बरो व्यू मेळना. कारां बायकान बरें सगळें दिसती पडटा आनी ट्रॅफिकाकूय बायकाचो प्लस पॉयंट. हेच सगळे लायनीन वयताय. लाईनीन जेवणा वयताय दिसते. So this is the plus point of bike. The road is very steep over here. Goa places जायत आहे भोंवपा, but because of this rain and because of this COVID-19 खंय वचपाक दिसना. आनी वयत जाल्या पासून सगळी प्रिकॉशन्स घेवन वचोंक पडटा. हांव सगळी PPE घेवन वयता, सॅनिटायझर, मास्क. वेलकम टू Canacona. I think jeszcze raz spod jest odmagał. Yes, we are in the right direction. We have to take a left from here, sorry. Yes, this is it. I think this is the Canacona market. Yes. Okay, so from here we have to take left. If we go from this side, then we will reach in Waterfall as well. But some other time we'll be going Waterfall. Let's see when. Just look at the view. I don't know if you guys can see. Hey doggy, what are you doing here? View चल चला हम कोपांतल्यान वयताय दिसता. Just look at this. आमी हिल स्टेशन आयिल्लें दिसता. Just look at that. I don't know if the GoPro camera is doing the justice. Wow, just look at the view, guys. We are just a few minutes away from the destination. Oh my god, oh my god. Just look at this, guys. Hey, oh my god. Oh, terrace farming. Off-roading, off-roading. Yeah. Okay, so guys, so finally I have reached near the waterfall. You guys want to see? Okay, so there is one more waterfall over there. So quickly we'll go over there. Okay, so we have reached near the waterfall. See this, guys. Just kidding. Come, let's go. Okay, so I've parked my bike over here. Okay, so enjoy the view in 3, 2, 1. How was the waterfall, guys? I hope you guys like the waterfall, and if you did, then give a thumbs up. And that's it for today, guys. I hope you guys like this vlog. If you did, then please hit the like, comment and subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Till then, bye bye, take care, Bhupar.